Many people have wondered, I'm pursuing a BTech and why am I creating content? I'll just want to give a little brief about it and then go on, right? Because it is related to this particular topic. It's never too late to dream. Is this quote a myth or is this reality? I bet you have heard this quote more than 1,000 times in your entire life. So in this video, we're gonna talk about this one quote, if it's a lie, a myth, or reality. I am Pawan Samala, a third year student at Mahindra University, currently pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Computer Engineering. So, my dream or my core purpose of creating content is to provide value to at least one person who's watching this video, at least one. See, I don't know how many people are going to watch it because generally the average views I get on my channel as of now is about 50 to 60 per video, right? That's the average. Some may go to 300, some may stay below 50, like 30, 25 or 40, right? So at least if one person gets inspired from my videos, if one person and comes to me and tells me you're doing a good job, you have inspired me, thank you so much, that will make my entire day for sure. Because I know how much effort I put in before I create a video. I know how much effort goes in validating the video, right? So everything must be good at the end because the output should be good. The output is people giving value to what I am doing, right? If I give value, people will give value to what I am trying to say. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say, right? So if at least one person says that, bro, your video is good, or if he says that your videos are good, they motivate me, they inspire me to do something new in life, it will obviously create a very good environment, and obviously I'll be working more harder for my future videos, right? Which is more important for me also, and also for the people who are watching my videos on my channel. Is it late to dream? It's not. A 5-year-old can dream, a 6-year-old can dream, a 40-year-old can dream, and an 80-year-old can also dream. It depends on the dream and what do you want to achieve in life. Many people dream of different things. I thought of becoming a cricketer someday. Some people think of becoming a tennis player. Some people think of becoming the richest person on the planet. Some people think of becoming an astronaut, doctor, engineer, whatnot, right? So your dream should turn into your reality. And who should make that happen? Only you. Irrespective of the age, 5 years, 40 years, 80 years, 100 years, or whatever age you are at, whatever age you are, if you turn that dream into reality, that's when this quote comes in a full circle, right? It's never too late to dream. Obviously, it's never too late to dream. But are you converting that dream, that particular dream, into reality is what matters the most, right? You might see in many people or many cases or many stories where there are people of 40 years old, 50 years old who have started businesses, changed the world. There are many examples like the founder of KFC, right? There are many people at their old age who have dreamt and also achieved it irrespective of their age, right? So if you have that courage to dream, if you can dream at whatever age you are in, you must take action to achieve that, to make it into reality, which is very, very, very important. So let's say that's my dream of creating a 1 million people community, right? So if I don't take action, if I don't create videos each and every day or each and every week, it doesn't make sense of me dreaming, right? It's just a waste. I'll just think that, okay, if I have 1 million subscribers or 1 million people who are following me and who understand what I'm saying or I'm creating value to, that doesn't make sense. I have to act on it. I have to act on my dream. Just dreaming doesn't make sense at all, right? It doesn't happen, it doesn't go. You'll just think that I might or I wish to do it, right? You have to convert that I wish to I did it. So that path happens, that bridge is connected only when you take action. So taking action is really important to convert any dream, any of your dream into reality, right? It might be some impossible dream also, but if you give your 100% effort and if you work hard to achieve that impossible dream, you will make it someday. You might be a step closer to that achievement or that goal or that impossible dream which I said, but you will tend to move in that upward direction and your growth will be exponential, not linear, right? I hope you guys have understood what I'm trying to say in this particular video, right? This was the basic crux of this video. From that quote, we bring in action. When you act upon it, it turns into reality. This is the main objective of this video, right? Whatever you're dreaming of, whatever age you're in, right? Irrespective of anything, any shit, dream, work on it, take action. It might take months, days, years, decades, or whatever it is. You will do it someday in your life. If you give your 100% effort each and every day, you are going to make it some or the other day. That's for sure. Each and everything happens on the go, on the flow. We take action, we get out with the best content, and I hope each and everyone who is watching this video has watched it right till the end and have learned something from it, and also have enjoyed the whole video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel, please do like it and also share it with your friends. And also, as I said, follow me on Instagram and also on LinkedIn. The links are in the description. So please do watch out to my next video, which is on a famous cricketer in India, and also I'm a fan of him, right? So please do wait for that video and guess in the comments about whom I'm making a video. So thank you so much for watching.